Here's how you can post or share content on Zora app. So in order to post on Zora app, you need to go ahead and open the application, log in using your wallet, MetaMask, Coinbase wallet, Rainbow, or Zora wallet. Ensure that your wallet is connected. And then tap on the create button, that is the square icon with the plus on it. Go ahead and tap on that. Now you can take pictures or you can go ahead and upload any picture or video that you want to post. And after you've chosen your image, video, audio, or text that you want to upload, alternatively, you can also paste a link from platforms like Twitter, SoundCloud, or YouTube if you're remixing the content. And go ahead and tap on next in the top. Now add details, title and description, which is optional. You can add a caption as well, and you need to go ahead and add a ticker. Decide if you want it free to mint or with a price to mint. Once confirmed, your post is live and visible in the feed. Others can collect and remix it. You can also get a link to share it on Twitter or Instagram or elsewhere to attract collectors to your drop. So that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.